Street rod time here at Unique Specialty Classics. 1957 Chevrolet 3100 Stepside short box, and this one is done up nice. A lot of modern amenities on this one from the way it would have came in 1957. A lot has changed. First off, paint color. That is actually Nassau blue from a 65 Corvette color with a color keyed interior. Take a look at this front grille, headlight bezels, bumper. Those have been triple chromed, and it really stands out on this truck, especially that Nassau blue paint. And the paint is laid on nice. It is extremely well done. Don't see much for flaws, nicks, scratches, dings. And this one you can take to any of your local shows, cruise-in, roll-ins. This truck will turn some heads, take home some trophies, no doubt about that. Underneath the hood, it looks as good as the rest of this truck. I'm going to hit on it a little bit, but we'll start it up here and let you check out the engine bay here and see it run. 383 cubic inch custom built stroker underneath there, 500 plus horse, runs on pump gas. That is paired up with a 700 R4 automatic with overdrive, also power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. You take a look at these wheels. It's a polished aluminum billet wheel. Flying hatchet was the style of that wheel, and there you can see your front disc brakes. The tool for removing that cap is in the center console of this truck, along with the controller for the stereo. There's a remote control for the stereo. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside, you can see the engine bay interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And remember, you can always call us 507-386-1726. Look at how straight this thing is. Shaved door handles. And again, nice reflection. Nice shine to that paint. We have some diamond highlights down here in the step side of the box. That's also going to carry through to around to the rear and the tailgate of this truck. The tailgate is permanent on this truck with that upper lip creating a fin or wing back there. Nice little look to it. And then look at this bed, how nicely that oak is finished off. Great lacquer finish to it. There's your gas fill and breather. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. All right, there's some more of those diamond highlights. Incorporated the tail license bracket in there. Down to the round Corvette inspired tail lights, dual exhaust. Suspension underneath this truck. The rear is a live axle setup with a mounted with the 4-link setup. So live axle mounted with 4-link setup. And again, still pictures, if you want to see those, can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video. It's going to take you right there. Let's go down the driver's side of this truck, and again, you can see how that paint is laid on there, how straight it is. All right, we'll get into a little bit more underneath the hood here in a bit, but it's got a Holly Carb MSD ignition setup on it with that 383 stroker. And again, remember, automatic with overdrive trans. Now, as far as getting into this truck with the shaved door handles, actually has power windows in it. What you're going to do is roll down the window. That's how you access the truck. That was on a remote that I'm using right here. And then you can go ahead, reach in, push forward, unlock it. And there you go. So you don't have to worry about those darn clicker poppers, what have you. Roll down the window, open the door. There's your color keyed interior. All custom done. Bucket seat, center console, B&M shifter, tilt column. And again, in the console is the tool for the wheels to take them off, and then that remote for the radio. Power windows in the center console. Also Bluetooth radio. You can see the speaker up here. You can get that. Sorry about the glare there. But again, custom interior, custom dash, digital gauges. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Find the right key. All right. gauges. They're warm up here just a tad. All right, Pioneer stereo, again, Bluetooth capabilities. AC controls down here. RPMs, clock. Got her warmed up here. All right, this 383, over 500 horse, will run on pump gas, FYI. And again, you can check out interior pics, undersides, all on our website. Slip around to the back. Now that sounds good. Does have hooker headers, Magnaflow exhaust. Alright, I'm going to slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop this hood. Let's check out that engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Wow, look at the detail underneath there. All right, so look at all the chrome, first of all. Griffin radiator. Poly carb, power steering, power brakes, AC, MSD box, and again, painted the color of the car, all the matte, serpentine belt system. Beautiful setup. Like I said, this car will show well at any of your shows. Pop the hood, let them check out this engine bay. It's definitely got a look to it. All chrome components. Really stand out. Look at it from the front. Nice looking street rod. Great sounding, be a fun one to drive too with the more modern powertrain and setup. 1957 Chevy 3100 Stepside short box street rod. Give us a call. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.